Remember, when you're in the Florida Keys, you're on island time. Slow and easy is the pace. Try not to pack too much stuff in your schedule. You want to leave room to be spontaneous because there is so much to do and see here in the Florida Keys.
All this art and culture is sure to do one thing, get you hungry. And that leads us to one of our favorite things to do in the Keys. That's right, eat. And in the Keys, you've struck the mother lode. There are tons of restaurants to choose from open-air casual to white tablecloth dress-up. And over the years, we've savored a lot. So here's just a few flavors we recommend sampling while you're here. Conch fritters, crispy and golden. Stone crab claws, an absolute must-have while in the Keys. This delicate crab meat has a unique flavor all its own.
No sauce required, just straight up goodness right out of the shell. Ooh, oh my gosh, thank you, sir.
It smells so good.
They have arrived. Key West pink shrimp, steamed, fried, or cocktail style.
The Key West pink, lightly steamed in beer, does not get any better, any fresher than this right here. Probably right off the boat.
And then the dolphin sandwich.
This is a dolphin sandwich, and not to be confused with the mammal dolphin, the flipper or the winter for younger generation. This is the mahi-mahi, so, and believe me, it's good. Okay.
This is so much what the Florida Keys is about, right?
Oh, yeah. Look at it out there. It's just gorgeous.
Good stuff.
And believe me, nowhere can you find fresher Florida spiny lobster than in the Keys.
Spiny lobster is a have-to flavor when in the Florida Keys.
And of course, any of these favorites should be followed by, well, you guessed it, key lime pie. Or as I like to say, it's the Florida Keys on a fork.
Oh, good.
And of course, there's the tropical drinks, margaritas, pina coladas.
That's what I came here for.
It seems every bar has their own special Keys drink. In between meals, of course, there's a lot to do in the Florida Keys. Your time here can be action-packed and thrilling, or relaxed and laid back.
Got to be kidding.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Welcome.
Hi, Captain.
Christy and I are chartering our own private catamaran.
How you doing, Captain?
This is something we've always wanted to do. And so today, we're doing just that.
Big sailboat just for ourselves? Oh my gosh, look at this.
Christy and I chartered a private catamaran to Calypso Sailing in Key Largo.
Oh, that's so cool.